Welcome to AYATIUM. Before science had a telescope, before a physicist ever said Big Bang, the Qur'an described a universe that began, was torn open, and is still expanding. If the universe had a beginning, then it also had a beginner. And that is the question modern physics cannot escape anymore. Modern cosmology begins with one extraordinary fact. Time itself had a starting point. At t = 0, there was no space, no matter, no motion, no physics, not even before. Because before requires time, and time didn't exist yet. This is the Big Bang's most profound implication. The universe is not eternal. It began approximately 13.8 billion years ago. The evidence for this beginning is overwhelming, starting with the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. Discovered by Penzias and Wilson in 1965, the CMB is the leftover echo of creation, the afterglow of the early universe. Its near uniformity and slight temperature variations provide crucial insight into the universe's initial conditions, confirming the Big Bang model. Another key piece of evidence is Hubble expansion, observed by Edwin Hubble in 1929. This phenomenon shows galaxies fleeing from each other at a rate proportional to their distance, indicating the universe is continuously expanding. Further supporting this, Planck satellite data from 2018 confirmed that this expansion continues today, providing even more precise measurements. The Borguth-Vilenkin theorem, or BGV theorem, from 2003 mathematically concludes that all universes which expand on average must have a beginning. Even Stephen Hawking admitted, once there is a beginning, there is a question science cannot hide from. What started it? 14 centuries before cosmology called it the Big Bang, the Qur'an described the same moment, offering a mirror to modern scientific discoveries. It speaks of the unified singularity stage. Have those who disbelieved not seen that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity and we split them apart? Qur'an 21:30. The Arabic word ratkan means sealed, fused, compact, or undifferentiated, perfectly describing the primordial singularity. Then, fatakna means to burst open or tear apart, directly correlating to the cosmic expansion that followed. The Quran also describes the expansion continuing, and we are surely the one who expands it. Quran 51:47. This verse uses the present continuous tense in Arabic grammar, meaning not expanded, but we are still expanding it. This aligns precisely with the Hubble constant and modern astrophysics, which confirm the universe's ongoing expansion. If the universe had no beginning, it could be self-existent, but if the universe began, it cannot be its own cause. There must be a cause outside space, a cause outside time, and a cause not physical. This is textbook transcendence, which is exactly the Quranic description of Allah, a transcendent cause. Science reached the door of metaphysics with the Big Bang, but it cannot step through it to answer the ultimate why. Quantum field theory now teaches that matter is not fundamental. Information is. Reality emerges from a non-physical substrate. The Quran stated this formula plainly. His command is only that he says be, and it is. This describes a creation sequence. Command leads to energy, which forms matter, ultimately creating the cosmos. This is quantum cosmogenesis expressed in Revelation 1400 years ago, long before modern physics conceived of such ideas. Science asks how things began. Islam explains why they began. We did not create the heavens and the earth in vain. The universe is not random. It is willed, targeted, and intentional, created with a profound purpose. Consciousness exists because the universe was finely tuned for it, a testament to its deliberate design. We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that this is the truth. Quran 41:53. The Big Bang is not merely astrophysics, it is an ayah, a sign, a profound indicator of a greater reality. Science discovered the how, providing empirical explanations for the universe's origin and evolution. Revelation already told the why, offering a metaphysical framework that emphasizes intentionality, transcendence, and the divine in creation. The universe had a beginning, so did you. The universe is expanding toward its appointed end, so are you. And just as the cosmos was called into being, so you were called into awareness. The question is no longer, did the Big Bang happen? The question is, why were you placed inside the universe that began? Don't forget to subscribe AYATIUM and follow for more deep cosmic discovery.